Let's continue practicing lacing. Once your child is able to use a thicker rope, then you can start decreasing the thickness of what you're using. And you can move to shoestrings. Use different colored shoelaces to give your child a chance to visually discriminate between the two. It also helps when you're giving verbal directions. So have your child make an X, put one lace on top of the other. Here's the X. Do you see the X? Now look at which string is on top. Point to the string that is on top. There it is. What color is it? It's red. Pick up the red string and put it through the hole. Here's the hole. Grab your other lace, your blue lace, and pull. Use two hands to pull. Very good. All right, now practice untying. Find the middle. These are the ends. Here's the middle. That's where the knot is. So you're going to use your thumb and your pointer finger and grab one shoelace, grab the red shoelace, and pull. Now use your other hand, thumb and index finger to pull the blue shoelace. Ta-da! You untied your shoe. All right, very good. Keep practicing, and before you know it, your child will be able to tie shoes in no time.